ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯕꯥ ꯗꯥꯏꯚꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯏ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯑꯞꯗꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯦ ꯀꯃꯥꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯣ ꯔꯦꯠ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯔꯒꯦ ꯌꯧꯔ ꯃꯥꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯀꯦꯁꯟꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯁꯤꯗꯩ ꯆꯪꯗꯣꯏꯅꯦ ꯀꯣꯔꯜ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯅꯕ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥꯗꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯟꯗꯔ ꯋꯥꯇꯔꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯕꯥ ꯗꯥꯏꯞ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥꯅꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯖꯦ ꯀꯦꯃꯦꯔꯥꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯥꯏ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯇꯔꯅꯦꯜ ꯀꯚꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯎꯔꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯠꯑꯞꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯕꯥ ꯗꯥꯏꯚꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯝꯕꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ Yes brother, tell me you are from Andaman?
I'm from Kerala.
Kerala, okay,
Coast from
Chetta.
country.
Chetta. So you are just explaining you have been to Manipur, right?
Yeah, it's an awesome place with a bunch of forest.
Okay,
Nice people.
okay.
I went to Aiswar. From via train, there's a first train. I think
Yeah.
started from first
Recently.
train.
Yeah.
From there, I catch a bus. From I got one of my friends from to Manipur. There's a place, some tribe place there.
Churachandpur.
Churachandpur. I went there. Then after that, I rent a room there, something, and they cook for me, like tribal food. I won't want to explain that thing inside this vlog. Okay.
Okay.
It's extremely awesome trip was there to Manipur.
Okay.
Also, Arunachal was extremely.
So just to pose the question, you have been to Churachandpur on Imphal and all. You have not gone there.
See, I forgot all the places where I went.
Okay.
Yeah. It's about 4 years. Before 4 years, I went there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great.
With my friend. And I went to Shillong also because I want to, because of him, because he was a DYSP officer in Shillong.
Okay.
Because of him, I came to, first I went to Arunachal, from there I went to Manipur, then I came to Meghalaya like that.
Okay. Great. So you are an instructor here.
Yeah, now I am instructor. And also we have a team working in Meghalaya, they are cave divers.
Okay. Cave only.
Yeah, we are doing cave divers in Meghalaya itself.
So extreme activities,
Yeah,
right?
extreme activities because we
Your
have
brother, your name?
Yeah, because we have the one of the longest caves are in Meghalaya. Still, the Discovery channels are exploring in every year. Every year, yeah.
So by the way, what's your name?
My
I
name is
forgot to
Anu.
ask.
My name is Anu. I am from Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah, working as an open water scuba instructor with 7 years of experience I have here.
Great. Nice to meet you, brother.
Thank
you.
Come, sir.
Welcome. So my unare, my kitang wari kitang soyo mahale. So okay, no problem. Thank you. Trainers. Ay hozik scuba diving ki dress laura dress change taurage aduga yengasiko kamai tawuno haibado video lawwa yaba yadaba manung yudi video lawrani moi GoPro di natre action camera am tawdun si. Let's go. Dress se ho kamai tawge do si sel chalu doini ma'am. So take care. Let's go. So akhoi crazy scuba dive tor matungda I am with our trainer come our diver है ना ये एक भाई है नवीन और दूसरा भाई अन्ना है देखो अन्ना crazy अन्ना the yo man and this is नवीन भाई एक चीज बताओ आप लोगों का जो बाल है वो पीला लाल ऐसा क्यों मेरा कब आएगा ऐसा कलर
आपका थोड़ा बाल हमारे जैसा भराना पड़ेगा तभी आप आएगा नहीं तो पॉसिबल नहीं होगा डाइव करो हमारे जैसा हर रोज पानी में जाओ नमक पानी में मिनिमम 3 से 4 साल तब आ जाएगा अपने आप कलर
बट ये जो कलर है ये डाई नहीं किया है
तो सिर्फ डाइविंग है ये नेचुरल कलर है ये आप देख सकते हो अच्छे से ये हमारा हेयर पूरा नेचुरल है कुछ भी कलर वगैरह यूज नहीं किया कुछ भी क्रीम वगैरह
नहीं है ये डाइविंग के कारण हो रहा है ना
डाइविंग के कारण स्कूबा डाइविंग आप लोग और 4 साल तक डाइव करो इजीली कलर आ जाएगा आपका हेयर
अच्छा ये नेचुरल कलर है इट इज बिकॉज इसके कारण है
हाँ इसके कारण
डाइविंग के कारण है नॉट बिकॉज ये डाई नहीं किया
नहीं,
है ना नवीन ये कलर जो है ना कलरिंग नहीं किया है
नेचुरल है
ये नेचुरल ये डाइविंग करते हैं ना तब ये कलर आता है क्रेजी आयुला क्यों को इसी काम को चले तो ये बाल देखो मैं कह रहा था ना कलर जो है ऐसा कलर आएगा ये देखो इनका चलो थैंक यू बॉयज आयो संद्रोम निको अदुना लेट्स गो हौजिक कोई सूट के का लितना लेरा अदो असिम सला कांदा इंस्ट्रक्शन तौगिनी इंस्ट्रक्शन जे मतम या सांगी इंस्ट्रक्शन लोइरब प्रैक्टिस तौर मतुंग दोइना डाइविंग तौदोइने बको सो अदुगिनी कोई ngai ri जि मनुंग sai comfortable ओरे nga ga su yam lei ri nga phajaba jabo do ngasang ma mu lu ri colorful oi ba nga ma am su lei ri ꯑꯗꯣ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯧ ꯌꯥꯎꯗ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯁꯣ ꯂꯦꯠꯁ ꯒꯣ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯤꯞꯁ ꯍꯥꯞꯆꯔꯒꯦꯀꯣ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ ꯑꯁ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯟꯗ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤꯅꯦ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯣꯔꯜ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯦ ꯁꯤꯗꯀꯣ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯉꯥꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯨ ꯎꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯀꯣꯔꯜꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯈꯤꯕꯩꯅꯦ ꯁꯤꯁꯦ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯦꯖꯤ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯚꯤꯗꯤꯑꯣ ꯀꯩꯀꯥꯁꯨ ꯅꯝꯃꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯁꯇꯣ ꯕꯨꯡꯒꯤꯗꯣ ꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯟꯆꯤꯡ ꯀꯩꯀꯥ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤꯡ ꯊꯤꯡꯁ ꯁꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯣꯛꯇꯣ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯛꯑꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯗꯕꯅꯦ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯣ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯆꯦꯛ ꯏꯠ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ और कुछ फोटोज ले सकते हैं